Hey guys, this is Kevin with Heartland Honda, and I'm going to be going over the HRS216SKA lawnmower with you. Guys, this is a HRS216SKA, and like the other HRS models, it's going to be your introductory, easy to use, simplistic lawnmower, and that's a good thing. This is going to be a single speed self-propelled lawnmower. It's going to have a pull start, super easy to use. It's also going to be able to discharge out the side or take that piece off. Let me set you down. There we go. And if I take this off, that flap goes down and you would be able to mulch then. So this is a very easy to use lawnmower. This is going to be great for a first homeowner. Guys, come in, check it out here at Heartland Honda. Remember, Heartland Honda is Arkansas's first Level 5 powerhouse dealership. We're also a premier dealership, which means we provide excellence in customer sales and services. Speaking of service, we have 2 red level techs on staff. All Hondas are treated equally, but it's the dealership that makes the difference.
Work hard, play hard, Heartland